Hey, Stinger here. We are going to go over the new Transformers Prime McDonald's Happy Toy vehicles. Just came out. They're not bad. Better than the old ones. Probably because they're Transformers Primes. But this guy, you see a little bit of paint app on there. Definitely see the Decepticon symbol. Looks real nice. As far as his gimmick, push in the old front, bang, guns pop out. Could use a little paint on the guns, but that's what he looks like. Not bad. Not bad. Next one we got is Breakdown. Pretty cool. Navy blue. Just got one red stripe down the side. Of course, he's got the purple Decepticon symbol. And his gimmick would be turn his spare tire to his weapon. Bang, his blaster. Not a bad looking truck. Move on to Ratchet. This one actually came with stickers you put on. Pretty cool. Of course, you got to be able to put them on straight, which I'm not that good at, but it's a nice orange. Looks like them. It's a little gimmick. Bang! Cannon. Beautiful. And you got the Autobot symbol. It's not colored painted or anything, it's just there. But pretty nice. Wheels could be a little bigger. Like, look at the size of the wheels. You put these, should be the same size, you know. It just looks stupid with his little tiny wheels on there. But anyhow, here goes Starscream. This is a nice mold. Looks just like the vehicle mode of this cartoon. It's a pretty nice one. And this gimmick is, there's the Decepticon symbol. Push it down. Canopy pops open into two phallic symbols. Nah, just kidding. Two missiles. And weird looking things, I'll tell you that right now. But yeah, there's 4 of the new McDonald's Happy Meal toys. I get the other 4. Definitely be going over those. But not bad, you know. Kids eat Happy Meals, let me have the toys. I got girls, they need to get the boy toy when we go, and it's a tough break for them because I'm paying. Well, that's it. Check out my other videos and rate, subscribe, and definitely comment. Talk to you.